apple cinnamon oatmeal for breakfast this morning. It's so good. Okay, to get started on my oatmeal, I'm going to dice up an apple. I just want to peel it first. You can use whatever kind of apple that you want to. I just had Granny Smith on hand. A sweeter apple would work better, but I usually just buy Granny Smith's unless I have a recipe that I need a sweet apple for. Okay, you just want to move those out of the way. And then dice up apples. You just want little dices. Now you just want to transfer them to your saucepan. I've seen this recipe on TikTok. I don't know exactly who was showing it, but I've seen it several times on TikTok, and I thought I'd give it a try. This one used maple syrup to sweeten it instead of sugar substitute. Okay, now to the apples, you just want to add like a tablespoon of water. And then you want to add some cinnamon. I'm just going to sprinkle some in. We can always add more later. Just want to stir that around a little bit. Okay, now it's time to go on the burner. Okay, you just want to cook the apples until they start cooking down a little bit. They'll get a little soft. Okay, now that the apples have gotten soft and tender, I want to add a half a cup of oatmeal. And these are the quick cooking oats. And then a cup of water. Just want to cook them together until it gets soft or gets thick. Okay, now it's thicker. I want to add maybe about a half a tablespoon of maple syrup. And a little bit more cinnamon. That smells so good. Now it's ready to put in our plate. Okay, I'm going to take my maple syrup and I just want to drizzle some on the top to sweeten it. So good. And I want to add some blueberries. Then like a few pecans, I just want to break up some on top. Gives it a little crunch. Okay, and there's my breakfast. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. With maple syrup and blueberries and pecans. It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. Get some apple, get some blueberries. That looks so good.
Oh yeah, that's delicious.
Yummy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.